What software should you use to write an SOP? Consider keeping your SOPs portable, especially for remote workers, construction personnel, or any team member that works in the field. Your SOPs should be accessible not only by computer, but by cell phone or tablet. I highly recommend starting with the basic tools like Microsoft Word. It's a globally dominant software, easy to share, and can be translated into different languages, which matters more than most business owners realize. And yes, you can absolutely convert your written SOP to video format, which I'll get into in a moment because that's where things get really interesting.